Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
जो आमच्यो फेरीज आसात त्यो फेरीज अक्रॉस दी रिवर्स ट्रान्सपोर्ट करताच पूण ताच्या भायर दुसरे तरेचो ट्रान्सपोर्ट आमी इन द बिगिनींग फेज करपाचे आसा आनी ताचे खातीर हो प्रोजेक्ट आसा तो गोंया खातीर एक वरदान आसा आनी सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां आमचेर विश्वास दाखयल्लो आसा. वी वर अमॉंग्स दी ऑल 18 आनी आमचो नंबर फाटल्यान आशिल्लो. सो PMO ऑफिस एंड हॉनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्रजी मोदी आनी आमचे गोंयचे मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत आणि जो प्रोजेक्ट तांचे बरोबर मांडलो अँड वी वर ब्रॉट इन दी फर्स्ट फेज अँड सो फास्ट विदीन फ्यू डेज वी हॅव स्टार्टेड आमचे कामां सुरू जाल्ले आसात.
Basically, we have already started our work. We have got the award of work on the 24th of July, and immediately we have taken actions. Many actions have already been done. We have already started interacting with the panchayats, especially in Chorao Island Panchayat. We could speak to the people over there, listen to them properly. There are various concerns they have raised, and something that we have found that there are things can be sorted out with people. The understanding is to be improved. That is something which we require it. We have already floated tenders for 2-3 outsourcing activities, critical activities like traffic studies, then the topography study and the bathymetry study, etc. We will be engaging these outsourced people, outsourced agencies to Goa by within a couple of weeks' time. This entire team will be moving around. You will see more than 50 people moving around in Goa for various studies which are going to happen at various levels. What we request the government is to have bring in awareness to various people. This is for the people, not for anything else. Awarded with 6 months, but we have been asked to complete it by 4 months. We'll do our best to complete it before that.